Qila kasta ochla nuga kamanawadzi gaitlach yalis gaitlach namris. As you can see, I'm in a hotel. I'm actually down island for some training and strategic planning. So anyway, we've been spending quite a bit of time with our elders and discussing language revitalization and what we can do and what's the next step towards our plan and goals and objectives and roles and responsibilities. There's just so many things to cover, but we have a really good plan going, and I'm very excited about it. I'm also excited that you are here on my page and you're interested in learning language, and I'm hoping that as you're checking out this page that you are actually following along when I'm teaching these lessons. The more you use it, the more your tongue will get used to the back sound. So a back sound would be, an example is like g, g. And you can actually, if you put your hand on your esophagus, if you put your hand right here and you can go g, g, it actually hits the back onto your the little dangly thing that hangs back there. I think it's called uvula. And then once in a while, like, you will be clicking. So it'd be like, an example would be. So the more that you're here and you're practicing and you're mimicking me when I'm speaking, the easier it will be for you, and you won't get frustrated as you're learning, right? So a good example for me would be when I went to school for learning language, the method that I was learning, we had to learn the Shuswap language. I don't even know how to pronounce the language, but when we were learning their language, we had to learn the language to prove that the method actually worked. So she would say, you know, and that's not my language, but or queta, you know, and so it's like walk, you know, so stop, you know. So we had to learn total physical response with somebody else's language to prove that the method works, and you're gonna the language will be running through your brain all the time, and the more you use it, the more it will become a part of you and you can internalize it, okay? So then it becomes more natural and the stress starts leaving your body the more you start to use it, okay? So let's go over these words, and all you're doing is repeating after me. These are some vocabulary that I have. Again, I'm using the book from the kwak'wala book 1, and the book, if you don't remember, it was written by my granny Daisy Seawood Smith. So let's go over these words. I'm going to repeat them. I'm going to say them 3 times, and you're going to repeat them after me each time, okay? So eqas, that means friend. That's feminine. A woman to woman, girl to girl. Eqas. Okay? Angwachkla. Like, who are you? Angwachkla. Who are you? So meaning, if I was just meeting you, I could say angwachkla. Like, I'm wondering, okay, wait, hold on. So, okay, hold on, guys. I'm just reading this so I can understand it, and I'm not going to teach you wrong. So, angwachkla. Okay, that means, like, it'd be like me saying, who is that? Angwachkla. Angwachklas. You know, so remember, we're going through those pronouns. Angwachlin, who am I? Angwachklas, who are you? Angwachkloch, who is that? But I'm really asking for what the name is. Like, what's your name, really? Okay? So repeat after me again. kwak'wala, kwak'wala. Again, kwak'wala. Okay? So, kwak'wala, kwak'wala, kwak'wala. That means thank you. kwak'wala. Now, kwak'wala. You're welcome. kwak'wala. kwak'wala. One more time. kwak'wala. 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 kwak'wala means goodbye. kwak'wala. Okay? It doesn't mean wave though. It just means goodbye. kwak'wala. Namuk. You can actually feel the sound at the end. I don't know if you were in one of my lessons before, but we actually have the K and the W is one letter. It's just like when people are saying kwak'wala and they try to shorten it and they call us the quacks. It's actually a KW, which is considered one letter. So, namuk. If you go like that, okay, namuk. Namuk. My granny calls that the windy sound. The reason why is because if you were to, so I'm going to go at the side here. If you were to put your hand right here and you went, you can actually feel wind coming out. And that's when you know it's a windy sound, okay? Namuk, okay? So that means friend, and that's what a male to female would use, okay? Namuk. And yo. 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 That means hi. I was going to say yo again. Okay, so yo means hi or hello, okay? Let's do a short little, I know my video is long here. Let's do short little sentences to learn, and you're just going to be practicing those, okay? And make sure you're using them when you're speaking to people. So this is a short conversation that's in this book here, okay? So, yo egas, kwak'wala. Yo egas, kwak'wala. Yo egas, kwak'wala. One more time. Yo egas, kwak'wala. So it's like, hello friend, greetings or welcome, okay? So, yo egas, kwak'wala. Okay, so I'm welcoming the person, my girl to girl, woman to woman. Yo egas, kwak'wala. Welcoming, okay? So, if I was going to look at you and I go, kwak'wala, okay? I'll do it again. kwak'wala. I'm asking you, who are you? And you can say if your name is John, okay? So then you can go, John Hicklin, John Hicklin, John Hicklin, Pee-wee Hicklin, Pee-wee Hicklin, Pee-wee Hicklin. So you ask me, say, kwak'wala. Ask me. Pee-wee Hicklin. Ask me again. Pee-wee Hicklin. One more time. Pee-wee Hicklin. Oh, yeah, good job. Good job. Okay, so now my egas is going to take off now. Okay, if that means woman to woman, girl, my girlfriend is going to take off now. So, halakasla egas. Halakasla egas. Halakasla. Halakasla egas. I'm saying goodbye to her, okay? Halakasla egas. Okay? So, or say if my friend was coming through and it was like a male to female, my guy friend, I'd be like, kwak'wala namuk, kwak'wala namuk, kwak'wala namuk. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I really have to go. My time's ticking. Halakasta ochla, shachla nukunklus, kwak'wala ochla.